How can you stop reading messages on the iPhone? Let me show you all that you need to know about it. Let's get started. And if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. Now, of course, you open up the settings where you manage all of these things, and you can go to the Siri or Apple Intelligence and Siri. You go there and you should be able to see the announce notifications, and you can see that Siri can literally read the notifications to you, including the messages. This is most likely going to be the case when you're using AirPods or even some other accessories or headphones, but that is when it's turned on. Siri will try to avoid interrupting you, as it says here, but it will still read the messages content to you. So perhaps if you don't like it, you can turn it off. And also, once you have it enabled, it also applies to different apps, right? So perhaps you want to specifically decide for some of the applications, or decide if it's only on headphones, or you can also reply without or with confirmation. So that is how it works, or you can turn it off completely. Keep in mind that you can also find it in the notification section, where literally the same thing can be found, so you can go there as well. And one more thing to keep the notifications and messages private is the previews, because you can decide if the notification is going to contain the message preview, the first sentence of the message, or not. So you get to pick whether it shows when unlocked, always, or never. So these are all the things that I wanted you to know about it. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more explanations and videos like this, and I'll see you in the next tutorials in the future.